Hello student, I am Ranjit sir. Today student we are going to study practice set 2.5 and question number 7. Okay student, practice set 2.5 and question number 7. Question number 7 is the roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal, find k. What is question student? The roots of each of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. Student, we know that if the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, at that time the value of delta, that is b square minus 4ac, is what student? 0. Clear? When the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal, so we will write what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It means that we have to find the value of discriminant. Clear? So student, very first question is what? 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. So compare this with what student? Standard form. And standard form is what? Ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore what will be a student? A will be 3. What is b student? B is equal to plus k. What is c student? C is 12. Clear? There we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. So we know that as given, what is given student? As given, roots are real and equal. What is given? Roots are real and equal. As given, roots are real and equal, it means if delta is equal to 0. It means that student b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay student, it means that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Clear? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now student, what is b student? B is k minus 4. What is a student? A is 3. And what is c student? C is 12. And this is equal to 0. This b square means what? What is bk? This k the square minus 4. What is a 3 and what is c 12. Therefore student, you will write k square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 are 144, and this is equal to 0. Therefore student, k square is equal to what? 144. And now taking square root. Student, taking square root, what will be k student? K will be 12. The value of k is what? 12. Clear student? This is the answer. Now we'll see second question. Second question is what? Kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now student, here you will multiply this with x. You will get kx square minus 2kx plus 6, and this is equal to 0. Okay student. Now we'll find student value of what? A, B and C. So comparing with what? Standard form, that is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here you will get what is a? A is k. What is b student? B is minus 2k. And what is c student? C is plus 6. Clear? So what is a student? A is k. What is b student? B is minus 2k. And what is c student? C is 6. As we know that, as it is given in the question, the roots of the equation is what? Real and equal. It means that value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Clear? So write as given what student? Roots are real and equal. What is given student? Roots are real and equal. It means that delta is equal to 0. It means that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay student? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So therefore student you will get what is b student? B is here minus 2k, so minus 2k the square minus 4 into a. What is a student? A is k into what is c student? C is 6 and this is equal to 0. Clear? Therefore student this will be what? 4k square minus 4 6 are 24k. This is equal to 0. So what is common in this? So you will take 4k as a common. So you will k minus 4 6 are 24. This is equal to 0. You will take 4k common. So you will get k minus 6 is equal to 0 student. Okay. So therefore either you will write 4k is equal to 0 or student k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Okay student. So therefore k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. Here student we are going to consider k is equal to 6. So your answer is what student? Answer is k is equal to 6. You are not going to consider k is equal to 0. Okay student, because when we will put the value of k is equal to 0 in our quadratic equation, if this k is 0, so this x will be 0. Okay student, for example we will put here k is equal to 0 in our quadratic equation. When k is 0, so this term becomes 0, and when this term becomes 0, again here we will put k is equal to 0, so this term also becomes 0. So we will not get quadratic equation, then we will get constant equation. Okay, constant. So therefore we are not going to put the value of k is equal to 0 in the quadratic equation, and we are not going to consider the value of k is equal to 0. So our answer is what student? K is equal to 6. Okay students. So now we will start next practice set in next video. So thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.